Hi, Clive here from VisiRule. I wanted to show you today a new feature which enables you to preserve sessions by saving and restoring them in the browser. So I'm going to load up a simple demonstration chart and I'm going to answer a couple of questions, put in some values, and at some point I'm going to restore it. So this just takes me back to where I was. So let's say I go back and change my mind. It should have been 34, so we now have slightly different computations going on. I can lose this. It's gone. Someone closed me down or my phone died. And when I go back into the demo, I can actually, rather than run from the beginning, I can restore it to where I was. And you can see I've got 34 and I was about to reselect some things here. So this is a very useful way of keeping sessions alive, even if the browser dies or the phone loses power or something drastic happens. You can now use to restore, and it will reinstate all the values and allow you to carry on with the chart. So that's the demo. Hope you like it. The chart is just a demonstration chart, so to show some of the features available. And as I say, we can restore and it remembers where we were. Thank you very much.